Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I just became the coolest wife, I think. I just got my husband this putting practice mat from FAFAMESO, and it is beautiful. It's made with real hardwood, and it has a spot for 2 golf balls and the putter to rest. So if you have an office setting, this will look elegant and fit right in. So it's 9 feet long. So you're gonna need quite a little bit of space to lay this out, but it is the perfect gift if you have anyone in your family or anyone in your life that loves to play golf. They are gonna be able to get a lot better at their shorthand game right here. This has lines to help you figure out how to line yourself up better for when you are putting. And it also has 2 different size holes. That's gonna help you also practice your precision. So it has a really neat ball return that is automatic if you sink a hole, or if it goes up the hill and doesn't make it, it'll just roll right back down. This mat is really high quality and it mimics a putting green very well. So if you are a golf fan or if you have someone in your life that also loves to play golf, get them this as a gift. They are going to love it. My husband has been using this at his office every day and it's perfect. You can just tuck it under your desk if people are coming in, or leave it out and let them play with it too. So far, it's been a real crowd pleaser. I've had fun with it. My kids have had fun with it. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.